Here's how to fix Roblox not opening or launching on Windows. Start with a full restart before doing anything else. Not sleep mode, a proper restart. This clears background processes that can silently prevent Roblox from launching. Try opening Roblox before any other applications after the restart. If it still will not open, do a clean reinstall. Go to Settings, then Apps, search for Roblox Player, click Uninstall and Confirm, then press Windows R, type %local app data, and press Enter. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. This removes cached data left behind by the uninstall that can prevent a fresh install from working correctly. Go to roblox.com, click Play on any game, download the installer and run it. This is the only safe source. Do not use third-party sites. If Roblox still refuses to launch after reinstalling, check your taskbar's hidden icons for MSI Afterburner or Riva Tuner Statistics Server. These overclocking tools are a known conflict with Roblox. Right-click each one and close or quit them completely. Then try launching Roblox again. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.